People, what's popping? Kilo Shele, again name me. Let's go there. Okay, wonderful people, beautiful people. It is your favorite Achalugo, Chidera Giselle on the microphone. If you are new to my channel, I am Chidera Giselle, a Nigerian lifestyle and fashion vlogger living in Owerri, Imo State. Welcome to my channel. So you guys, I'm currently living the village. Hey, power. Okay, you DK. Odogu. Guys, mine is setting up the firewood. This is how it's done. She's using
apple.
Thank you, Abba.
On the palm nut shaft.
Okay. She's using palm nut shaft to put into the firewood. This is how it's done. You put strong wood, that's the big ones, like this one over here now, this very big one. You put the slim ones, you put nylon, and here this is the abreva she's talking of. Palm nut shaft. These things catch fire easily, so they help the firewood to burn better. So this is how, if you are here and you don't know how to set up firewood, you don't know how to cook with firewood, this is how it is done. So she's setting it up right now so that we can start cooking early morning food. So the fire is up now.
So we got to the hotel where the bridal shower will be celebrated at this point. Willowwood Hotel along Road, Owerri.
So this is how the akara started. The beans, mine put it inside water and you can see some of the dirt and the back of the beans. They're already on top of the beans. So this is the first process. Mine, how many cups of beans is this?
About one.
About one and a half.
Oh yes, you can do more. Yes.
Man, your man's wow. And plantain, beba. Okay, there's plantain. Okay. Baba, see yourself. See. Who's there? Hey. Who's there? Hey. Who's there? Hey. Who's there? Hey.
Baba, see.
Nah. Guys, motherhood is not easy, Motherhood is not easy at all. Baby has just been crying since. I don't know what his problem is. I'm not his mom, I never born picking, but what I'm saying is that to babysit a baby is not easy because I don't know why he's crying. I'm so pissed that he's crying like this. I want to spank him, but I cannot spank him because he's a little child and he does not know what he's doing. Kudos to all mothers out there. Baby, say hi. You're not crying again. You see yourself inside video. Video. Baba, say hi. He's removing all the dirt now. So this is the next process. She's using her hand to scrub out the back of the beans. I heard that the back of the beans is the healthy part of the beans. That's where all the nutrients are. Now Miss Akara is not healthy now. Be mine, what?
I'm not removing all of them.
You're not removing all of them, but some people remove all of them.
But it's not good.
Okay, it's not good to remove everything. The thing we're removing at the back is the healthy thing, the thing that gives us nutrients.
Nutritious.
It's not supposed to be so. We're supposed to leave it. But because of onoto, we want the one that is sweeter.
That is very fine. Not sweeter, but they're neater.
Okay, neater. We'll not be removing the nutrients. All the wrong. All very, very wrong. So mine is removing the ones that she has. Okay, some of them she's removing the ones, but these ones too are still removing the nutrients. Why did you just make the akara like that?
It will not be fine. The akara will not be fine.
It will not be fine.
We look at it.
It's my phone, but I'm videoing. MTN. I've been surprised the network in Ghana yard. So Maya soaked the beans now. She's soaking inside to soften a bit. So that is what they're saying now, and when it softens a bit, we'll go over to the next process. So guys, I don't know why Maya is using small frying pans to make the akara, but this is the frying pan we are using to make akara this morning. And when making akara, you don't just use small oil like when you are doing plantain. If you are frying plantain, you can use very small oil because plantain is usually flat. But for this one, the oil has to be really much. You can see that the frying pan is almost full. Yeah, so when she's just trying to heat the oil, when we are done grinding the beans itself.
I will fry plantain.
Okay, she said she's going to fry plantain first before the akara. So she's about cutting the plantain. Then after that, when we are done grinding the beans, we're going to go over to frying the akara. The fire has not really come up so much, but this is it. So Maya has finished washing the beans. The beans are finished soaking. She soaked it for about 10 minutes and she's putting it inside the mortar now. Then after this, it's going to be grinded. This beans is so small. Man, here I'll get the name. This small plantain. Man, mother about be full yesterday.
Oh yes, because plantain, they are bread, they are akamu, they enough.
So I attack plantain, bread. No akamu. Concussion nila, nima from mother. Now this 2022.
Balanced diet.
Wow.
Balanced diet.
So Maya has brought the pestle and she's going to use it to grind the akara. Yeah. Last year we used this manual grinder to do this, but Maya is using mortar and pestle this year. Anyone goes as long as it's well grinded. So she has already pounded it to this level. It's already getting smooth, but it's not very smooth. Adding the water gradually. She will add small, turn. Add another one again. It's already forming a thick paste, a thick and consistent paste. So she's going to do this until she gets the texture that is necessary for akara. When we get to that stage, I will show you how it looks. Guys, she has added onions and she's pounding it into. She didn't even cut it normally. I'm
going to grind it.
She pounded it into the onions and she's blending the two of them together now, so that the taste of the onions can blend into the beans. So this is salt, and Mama is assistant in the kitchen today. This is salt, and I don't know how she manages to know the quantity of salt.
I will taste it.
Okay, you will taste it. Okay, so she has added salt now and she will turn it again. Come on, get out. I'm a piagi this firewood now. As you can see that, the bean paste is already smooth. I don't know if you guys can hear me. Here it's too noisy, but the bean paste is already very smooth at this point, and it has swollen, like it has risen up, it has swollen up. Don't sweat. I don't know how to take off one.
It has grown.
It has risen. So Maya is putting the frying pan back on the fire so that it will come up and we can use it to fry the akara because it is almost ready. So stay tuned, we are almost done. Our akara is almost ready, and if you are going to be trying this out, whether you're in Nigeria or in the diaspora, do let me know in the comment section. Man, you not shine these days, you not shine All Chine goes to anime video.
Come on here. Oh dear, yeah. And my boy will let you go.
Molding it now. Yes, it's entering into the fire now. My miss anunde bedroom pe. And my like tiny akara. See my akara.
I'm a tozen okwa.
I like the small ones, and I'm like Akara. Yes. So she's molding it. You just use your hand, fold it into your hand, and put it in the fire. I prefer tiny Akara. They are usually sweeter, way sweeter. Maya, no Allah on one side.
What it?
So I'm trying to arrange the firewood because the fire is just on one side. It no spread.
Oh, that's the motive even.
Maya, why are you turning? Why is she turning the Akara?
If you leave it, it will stick.
Okay, she's turning it while this one is on the fire because if she leaves it, it's going to get stiff.
You see, this one will be fine.
Okay, so she's turning it so that it's not going to get stiff. Hey, Jesus, I hope you guys can hear me.
They will hear you.
Okay, so she's turning it because if you leave it, it's going to get stiff. So you're not supposed to leave it. You're supposed to keep on turning it until the one on the fire is done and you can mold this one in. On my eyes, this smoke just they enter inside my eyes anyhow. I'm asking her why she's not using no band. And this one will take time. You guys, tasting time. Yummy. And I love tiny Akara. It's tasting like buns in a way. I love Akara like this. Like it's so light, so sweet, and everything. So this is the next morning. Mine is still frying Akara, but this time she's using the big pan. This is what she was supposed to use yesterday. I don't know why we use that small one, but she's using the big one today. Hey, Jesus, come to me here now. So guys, come and eat. So the water in our tank at home got exhausted, so we had to call these water tanker people that fill water tanks up, and they filled the tank up for us. So yeah, we had water again.
Amanda.
Say Uchenna. Say Mamuju.
Chidera.
Mamuju kwani.
Mamuju. The big mommy. You
guys, Mai is going out and I'm taking her pictures. Look how she's shining. My fine mama, my fine mother. Look how fine she is. I turn back. Let's see you now. Turn on the back. Uchenna, come go down, Biko. Do Shakara for us. Do Yanga for us. Miss Nigeria. She's coming. I call on Miss Amaru. Bye. Yeah, we stayed for about 5 or 6 days and I'm leaving to go face the realities of the city. Yeah, so we are living right now. We're living with a lot of goodies. Guys, this is yam and cocoyam that we'll be leaving for Owerri with. These are the first things we'll be packing as we're going to Owerri. So, we'll be living with this ogiri. Beans, okay. We'll be living with ogiri. And we'll be living with beans and onions. I'll show you in a bit. I'm so exhausted. I'm rushing. Let's go there. Yeah, so guys, that was it for the village New Year 2022. We thank God for a successful stay in the village and we thank God for journey mercies. Anyways, you guys, if you enjoyed this video or you enjoyed the village series,
do give this video a huge thumbs up. Catch up on the village videos you didn't watch. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Share this video. The ministry is moving. Let's move it to the permanent site. And hopefully, I'm going to be seeing you guys in my next video. For now, bye, kiss. Love you.